this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to create viral videos like this in a few simple clicks using just one AI tool. Now, if this is something that you're interested in, please come closer and let's dive in. All right, to get started, all you have to do is to fire up your browser and visit intmind.com. Now, I'm going to leave the link in the description so that you can easily get to it. Now, once it opens, the next thing you want to do is to click on sign up to sign up your account with, of course, your Gmail account. And once you sign up, you're going to get 50 credits for free. As you can see here, I have a login bonus. So it gives you bonus every time you sign in every single day. Now, how cool is this? Now, this is the same tool that most people that create content on YouTube Short, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram use to go viral. So if you're looking to create viral videos, this is one tool you should have in your AI arsenal. So now that we are here, you can see that there's so many options to choose from. There is popular recommendation, that is something that is trending, something that is going viral and all of that. And then you have AI influencer. This is going to take up the game for you if you want to offer this as a service to people and make money off of it, or if you want to create it for your brand, for your business, you can easily use this to create your brand promotion, your business promotion. Use any picture that you want and it's going to promote whatever that you want. Now, how cool is this? And here is FYP dances, all those trending TikTok dance. This is where you get it. So you can make your dog dance, you can make your cat dance, you can make your grandma dance, you can make your grandpa dance, you can make anybody or anything dance to any song that you want. Now, this is incredible. Now, this one is virtual try on. That is, you're going to try on something virtually. So if you have a cloth, or if you have a shoe, or if you have a particular product that you want to try it on virtually, you can use this and it will do that. Now, how cool is this? So here is campaign. If you're campaigning for something, if you want to do discount for your business or for someone, or for a political reason, or for a church program, or whatever it is, you can use this one for that. And here is product ads. If you want to advertise your product, or if you want to do it for people and make money off of it. That's why I talk about these AI tools a lot, because not only can you do it for yourself in terms of creating content and all of that, you can actually do these things for people and make money off of it. Now, most people haven't made any real money using AI, and that is because they can't figure out how to put all these things into place. And that is why I constantly encourage everybody to have a brand page on Instagram, Facebook, and of course TikTok, where you're going to be reselling some of these services. So all you have to do is to get this account. You can see you get 50 credits every day. So you can use that to create content for someone or for a brand and get paid for it. Now, that is very easy. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to make a video on how you can build a brand that you can use to resell some of these services and make money from the comfort of your home. If more people are interested in the video, I'll go ahead and make that video, and I might even turn it to a series where I break everything down, and that includes how to run ads, how to budget small and use it to make a lot of money by getting a lot of clients that is going to book you to do some of these things for them. Because in as much as it's easy to create, a lot of people don't know how to do it. A lot of people don't even know the AI tools to use. But because I've tested thousands and thousands of AI tools, and I'm recommending the ones that you can use to create some of these things, so you know this channel, you know how to use these things. So why don't you use it to make money for yourself while working on your faceless YouTube channel or your faceless TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram account? And here, this one is baby talk. Okay, so if you want your baby to dance, talk, say anything, all those videos that we constantly see on social media that go viral, this is where you get all of them. You can see here. So if you have your baby, you can actually put your baby and let your baby dance. There's no limit to what you can achieve here. And this is couple for the lovey-doveys and everything. You can get that here. So for people that are intending to get married, for people that are married, for couples, in fact, generally for couples, you can get a lot of videos that you can use to mesmerize your followers, your family, your friends, and it will be crazy. And this one is Power Squad, animate animals, make animals dance, fly, and all of that. Now, the first tutorial that I have for you in this video is this one. So let's say I want to create something like this. All I have to do is to come here and click on generate. And once it opens, the next thing I want to do is to upload my picture, the image of me, my picture, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and upload a picture of me, which is this one. I have the picture uploaded already. So I'm just going to select my picture like so. Let's see what's going to come up with. And then the next thing, I'm going to go ahead and click on generate, same style. So you can see it has the prompt, all the things that you need, the prompt, everything. So you don't need to start putting prompts and all of that. Everything, all the prompts are here. So you're going to go ahead and click on generate same style.
A few moments later.
Now you can see that the video is ready, exactly the template that we saw, and it's so incredible. Now, another good thing you can do here is you can make slight changes and add the colors or add whatever that you want, and you're going to get that here. So if I play it through, you can see that it's completely insane. So the next one I want to show you is the product display or visual try on, okay? This is where you promote a product, whether it's your product, whether it's that of a brand or a business that wants you to do it for them, and of course they pay you. So this is where you're going to get a lot of templates based on that. And to do that, all you have to do is to come right here and click on generate. Now, if you don't have a picture of your product, all you have to do is to come over here, and you're going to come over to image generation. And of course, you're going to come right here and choose the model that you want to use to generate the image. Now, there are so many models that you can use, but for the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to use Gemini Nano Banana Pro. So I'm going to go ahead and select this. And of course, you're going to also select the aspect ratio that you want to use, whether you want it portrait, that is 9:16, or 16:9. So whichever one that you want is totally fine. And then you're going to come right here and select the resolution. If you want it to be 2K or 4K, right? So it gives you the highest resolution, and this is what the normal native Nano Banana wouldn't give you, because if you go over to Gemini and say you want to generate a product picture, it can generate a pixelated pictures, and it's very difficult getting high quality image. But if you're looking to generate high quality image, all you have to do is to come right here and generate your image. So to generate our product image, all we have to do is to put in our prompt like so. And now we have our prompt. All we have to do next is to go ahead and send it and let it generate the image for us. But trust me, even if you don't have to give it something this detailed, if you just give it a vague prompt, maybe an idea of the product, is going to go ahead and do a very good job. And here you can see that it's done generating our image, and it's looking very fantastic. So now, the moment of truth, let's check the quality. So I'm going to zoom in on the image now to see the quality of the image. Now, how cool is this? Now, this is so incredible. If I keep adding to the zoom, if I keep zooming in, you can see the quality of the image. Now, how cool is this? Now, this is so incredible that you can see all the details, the fine lines and everything. And this is the power of this tool. It gives you highest resolution that I've ever seen when it comes to generating images with AI tools. This is incredible. So now that we have this, the next thing we want to do is to go ahead and save it to our device. And to do that, all you have to do is to just come right here. You're going to see download. And of course, I like using PNG format to download my images. And to do that, I'm going to select PNG, and I'm going to leave this at original, and I'm going to click on download to download it straight to my device. And now we're going to come over to the advert template that we want to use, and we're going to go ahead and upload our picture now, our product. And to do that, I'm just going to go ahead and click on upload, and I'm going to select our picture like so, and I'm going to click on open to open the product image. And now that I have it uploaded, the next thing I want to do is to click on generate same style. And before then, I want to bring your attention to the prompt. Like I always say, the prompt is usually very amazing. If I click on this generate style now, it's going to use that prompt to generate that very good quality video, advert video for us. And that is one of the reasons why I love this. A lot of people that use AI tools and don't get the result that they require is because they don't know how to prompt. They don't know much about prompt engineering. So they give the AI wrong prompt, and it generates a wrong image or a wrong video for them. So garbage in, garbage out. So this tool figured out that, okay, people don't know much about prompting, so they started generating the prompt for you. So all you have to do is to just put your picture and click on generate. You don't need to start racking your head to come up with a prompt to use to generate either your video or your image. Now, how cool is this? If you have not liked this video by now, please go ahead and smash the like button because it's an indication for me to know that you like my content and you want more content like this. And of course, it encourages the algorithm to show my video to more people because more people need to benefit from my videos just as you are now. So go ahead and smash that like button. And here you can see that it has generated our advert video and it's looking amazing. Now, how cool is this? Now let's go ahead and play it back and see how it looks. Now, how cool is this? Now, you can see the quality of the video, you can see the product, and you can see the customization. This is really incredible. Now, if you're satisfied with the video, all you have to do is to come right here and click on download to download the video straight to your device like so. And now that I have it downloaded, you can go ahead and use it anywhere you want to use it, post it on your TikTok account, and imagine how viral this is going to go. But that's not all. Let's say you want to change one or two, or you want to touch up the color or do anything. All you have to do is to click on open the editor. So now it's going to give you the opportunity to edit the video or make any adjustment that you want. And it's really mind-blowing. Now, there's so many things you can do with this tool. I want to show you one more example that goes viral like crazy. And that is, come over here and we're going to scroll down and find that particular amazing. Now, these ones here are for you page, especially for TikTok. I talk about TikTok shop a lot on this channel. I'm going to leave the link in the description, or you can click here to learn how to use the videos that you generate using this tool to make money on TikTok, because it's not just about the virality, it's about how you're going to get paid. So if you link this tool with the TikTok shop, that is, you're posting viral videos and you have a TikTok shop. So that traffic that is coming to your videos is going to in turn get to your TikTok shop. And once they make purchases, you're going to make a whole lot of money. So you're not even depending on TikTok monetization and gifting and all of that. This one is product that you're selling, product that are not yours, other people's product that you're just going to put in the link in your TikTok shop. People are going to make a purchase and you're going to make money in return. And the reason a lot of people don't make money with TikTok shop is because they don't have viral videos. And this gives you that viral video that is going to make you a lot of money using TikTok shop. And one of them is dancing dogs. Now, dancing dogs has been going viral on social media, especially TikTok. And it has been getting a lot of views, a lot of clicks, a lot of traffic. So we want to recreate something like that. And thank goodness we have a template here already, so you don't have to start generating it from scratch. To do that, all you have to do is come right here and click on generate. So once it opens, the next thing you want to do is to upload the image of your dog. And thankfully, we have an image that we generated using this tool again. And you're going to go ahead and hit on generate. And you can see that it gave us a prompt for this as well. So you don't need to start racking your brain, coming up with a prompt and all of that. It can be very tiring and you might never get it this close, as in this fantastic. So that's why I love using this tool a lot. I'm going to be leaving the link in the description so you can go ahead and try it out and thank me later. Now, while we are waiting for it to generate the video for us, which doesn't take a lot of time, let me quickly show you the long list of templates that you can find on this tool. So if we come here, we'll click on explore. So you're not just limited to what is on that page that I'm just showing you now. You have limitless templates right here. So here you can have trending, you can have so many templates. So going viral on your TikTok account, YouTube short is guaranteed. And here is for you. Okay, this one is if you're looking to appear on the For You page on TikTok or Instagram Explore. Now, these are the videos that really do very well on those platforms. So here, if you scroll down, there are so many of them, so many of them. And if you're thinking about commercial videos, you're going to come right here and you're going to see videos for commercials. And there are different categories under the commercial. Here you can see all. This one is for all of them joined together, but you can see they sectioned it into product ads, campaign, holidays, voiceover, AI model, and branding. So whichever one you want to go for, you just click on it. Like this one, if you're looking for AI model that you're going to use to promote your product, you can just go ahead and click here and select any of the model that you want to use. And the good thing about this is that it helps with consistency. So you can use the same model over and over again, trying different products. All right, so now you can see that it's done generating our video. So I'm going to go ahead and play it back now so you can see how it looks. Now, how cool is this? And the quality is always amazing. So if I zoom it in now, you can see the quality of the video. Now, how cool is this? So now if you're satisfied with this, all you need to do next is to go ahead and download the video straight to your device and you are good to go. Now I'm going to be leaving the link to this tool in the description so you can use it and try it out and let me know what you can come up with. If you're really looking to generate videos that will go viral without much effort, go ahead and try out this tool. And if you're looking for more ways to learn how to use AI tools to make money from the comfort of your home or any digital skill whatsoever, here's the next video that YouTube recommends that you watch on this channel. So go ahead and watch it and thank me later. See you on the other side. Ciao.